I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials right. Make sure the image is RAW or a high-quality JPEG, then open Develop. Zoom to 100% so you can see actual noise and fine detail. Adjust exposure and white balance now. Fixing tone first prevents noise reduction from hiding real texture. Once done, glance at shadow areas and high ISO regions to note where noise is worst. Make sure to keep a reference point. Press backslash or set a virtual copy so you can compare before and after as you proceed. Now tackle noise reduction in the detail panel. Pull color slider first around 25 to remove color speckles quickly, because color noise is distracting and easier to tame. Next, raise luminance gradually, start around 20 to 40, and then tweak luminance detail and contrast to protect texture. Use a small radius so you don't blur edges. While sharpening, use masking, hold Alt or Option while dragging to avoid amplifying noise in flat areas. Keep toggling the before/after to judge trade-offs between smoothness and detail. Finish with local corrections. Use the adjustment brush to paint noise reduction only where needed, like deep shadows, setting the amount specific to that area so bright details stay crisp. Once done, switch between 100% and fit views and export a small test at the final output size, screen or print, to verify results. If you notice softness or smeared detail, reduce luminance slightly or refine masks to protect edges. A key troubleshooting tip: if halos or plastic skin appear, back off NR and rely more on targeted brushing rather than global sliders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.